this is a fact. We're heading down to the balloon. Uh-oh, look at you.
Your big glasses.
We are getting in a vehicle. Other people.
Walking way too.
All right, guys, this is gonna be the spot. We're gonna start setting everything up. So we're gonna pull a basket off the trailer real quick. I'm gonna pull that truck towards us, and I'll back it up to drop some more equipment, and then I'll park it about where it is right now. So if you do want to hop out, just be aware that I am gonna move that. But feel free to hang in here as long as you like. You're not gonna miss too much here in the beginning. We're just gonna lay a bunch of ground cover out. So whenever you are ready to climb out, though, does anyone want to hop out now? We'll be going this year. Actually, come on this side over here, so I can point to you to show you where to go. Go right through the weeds right here. There's like a little clearing, and then over there is where we're gonna lay down. Okay.
Get you that car today.
Little bag.
Sleeping bag, huh?
Exactly. It's like a never-ending sleeping bag. I love it up there. Yeah, I think my wife and kids are there all the time. There's a cool, if you're coming this way, history of ballooning, how it all got started. But I'll stand over here so you guys don't have to look back into the sun. I'll show you a tradition that goes with it. It dates back to the very first balloon ride. Balloons started in the countryside of France back in the 1780s. There was two brothers, the Montgolfier brothers. They came up with the idea. And the rumor has it they were watching a line of clothes dry over a fire in the wintertime. They saw a shirt kind of inflate with the heat, and it sparked the idea, let's see if we can capture whatever it is coming off the fire and create lift. Well, they were fortunate enough, their family owned a paper factory, so they had access to all this paper. So they started building little models out of paper and figuring out what was the best design for the balloon. And they eventually came up with that big round bulb shape that we still see in the balloons today.
Okay, so went to the archery lesson. The lady at the front wouldn't let me and my friend in. She said we were too late. I mean, we were like 9 minutes late, but my friend said she was late before and they just let her in. So anyway, she was not letting us in. But now my friend is going to get, because she already took the class, so she knows how to do archery. She's going to go get her personal bow and arrow, and we're just going to be on the free range, and she's going to just show me some pointers herself. I've done archery before, but just like one quick class when I was at a retreat, and I remember really loving it, so I'm excited. Dee-dee! The target.
Taking up the target. It's really tiny, so it's like
Oh, okay.
you might have to be closer.
Need to be a little advanced to get this little
Okay.
It's cute.
Right, okay. You hold it for me. Arrows, and you would, wherever your arrow lands, if it lands like in between two, you would take the highest one. So like if your arrow lands here, like just pretty much in the middle of the 3 and the 4, you could take the 4 and you'd write that down. So you do it 3 times each round. So I would, like, if it's my turn to shoot, I would shoot my arrows. I have 3 arrows. I would shoot 3 times. So I get 3 scores, and you put that on one line, and you can add it up later.
Yeah.
Do not even feel that way. Pull back, aim. Really?
Whoa.
What? Okay. Let's see. Wait, is it clear? Okay, it's clear. Okay, wow, you got a 9. That's good.
Took forever to find parking.
You just ran
They
through
like
some sprinklers.
They oversold
Yeah.
tickets, and like it's just ridiculous. But hopefully,
Breathing heavy here.
like I'm so tired, I'm nervous. I'm just trying to see some motorcycles. That's all. Literally.
Dirt bikes.
Literally. I meant dirt bikes. Okay. Period.
It's good to be here. Are you ready to do this? I am. All right. And it's happy birthday too, Bobby. There's Kayla, DeLacy. There's Carbone, Vinny Carbone. Let them hear it. Here they come. Green flag. Here comes Vinny Carbone. Sideways, Indian air. Vinny Carbone, kaboom. Be a good one together. Whoa! Did you see that? With this dirt landing ramp. Oh, you're kidding me. Jared McNeil. Whoa, he let go in the middle of it. Caleb, the lazy. 3 trains. They ended. 3 trains, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's see what we got. Again, this is the most dangerous one of freestyle motocross jumping. The train, here they all come. Eddie Carbone, Jackie Colson, there's Stephanie Cameron. Now, they all made it. You have to have some trust. You have to have trust in your other riders, because once you take Mitchington, our Grand Marshal, leads them around on that Husqvarna. Forrest Mitchington. 200. Vermitile on the Bye.